Thank you, Katya. You're welcome, Dima.
Today we will have a birthday party! My cake is ready! Wow! What a beautiful cake! Oh no! What should I do? It was birthday cake for Daddy! Help! 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 Help!
What happened?
Katya, look! Daddy's cake is destroyed!
I have an idea.
Wow! What is this?
This is magic microwave. Let's make Daddy's birthday party.
Wow! It's so big cake! Katya, thank you! You saved the Daddy's birthday party!
My car! Help! 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 Help!
Someone needs help. What happened?
My car is broken!
I have an idea. I can create a new car for you. Good.
It's so amazing!
Ta-da!
Oh, it's so big car! Thank you, Katya!
You're welcome, Daddy. I want real dino. Help! 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 Dima needs help. Help! 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 What's happened? I want real dino. No problem. Dima, it's a real dinosaur. Let's open it. Okay. No, no, no. Katya, I have an idea. Yum, 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 yum. All done. Katya, no more dinos ever.
Excuse me! Hello! Hello! Sorry, I'm hungry!
Hello.
Eggs,
Okay.
meat with vegetables,
Okay.
and dessert, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wake up. What do you want? Here you go. Thank you. Egg. And dessert. Ready, ready, and ready. Ready. Ready.
Thank you. I'm so hungry. What? Eggs? It's for me? Why it's too small? Waiter! Waiter!
What? What happened?
It's very small portion for me. I want a big portions. I'm very hungry.
Okay. Katya, we have a problem. What's the problem? Daddy needs a big portion. I have an idea. We need a big stove. And we need a big pan. That's what we need. Let's start cooking eggs. Dima, eggs are done. Here's your fork and knife.
Thank you. Wow, this is my size. Wow!
Ready.
Thank you, that's what I need. It's too delicious. And what about my meat and vegetables?
Wait a minute. Meat and peas. Dima, order is ready.
Wow! It's so tasty! Excuse me, sir! Excuse me!
What?
What about my dessert?
Let me check.
What?
Katya, we forgot the dessert. Dessert. I have an idea. Let's make a big watermelon dessert. Wow! It's very big and heavy.
Wow! Amazing! This is the biggest dessert on the world! It was so tasty. Check, please.
Okay.
Why it's so many and too expensive?
Big egg, big check.
I don't have so much money.
No problem, Daddy.
Okay. Dady's Kindergarten is open. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. First baby. Please take care of my baby. Yellow baby. Good morning. Please take care of my baby. Second baby. Green baby. Good morning. Third baby. I need to deliver a lot of parcels. Blue baby. Good morning. Fourth baby. Please take care of my baby. Red baby. Good morning. Oh no, fifth baby. I need to go to space. Orange baby. Red, yellow, green, blue, orange. Get ready to day nap time.
Wow! Kids' space room.
Where's orange baby?
Let's do some fun.
Yellow, green, blue. Something is wrong. Where's red baby?
Wow! How it works?
Where's yellow baby?
Wow! What is inside? Let's open it.
Where's at all the babies? Kids, where are you? Where's yellow baby? Maybe he's inside? Yes, I found him! Time to take a nap. Hey babies, I'm looking for you. Where is my green baby? I found you! 2 babies. Babies, where are you?
I have an idea.
Wow! It looks like someone was here. Let's check this box. I found the blue baby. 3 babies. Hey, babies.
I need to hide.
Where's my red baby? She has to be somewhere here. I found the red baby.
Oops.
4 babies. Hey, babies. Where are you?
I need to hide. Cuckoo.
Where is orange baby? I need to check the rocket. Yeah, I found last baby. Let's go. I found all babies. Kids, listen to your teachers and never run away. It's time to cooking. I want to make cake for my kids. Let's start. Let's bake it. Now I need to wait. What? Oh, my cake! Ah, I need help!
I have a lot of homework today.
Ah, I need help!
Someone needs help.
Ah, help, help!
What happened?
I forgot about my cake!
No worries, I will help you.
Ooh. Thank you, you saved my cake!
You're welcome. I'm glad to help. Firefighter is the best. Bye-bye.
Kids, time to lunch! Let's make a mess! Welcome to my beautiful town. Oh no! Oh no, my city is destroyed. What should I do? Ah! Oh no!
Again? I'm coming! I'm gonna help you.
But how?
1 second. Let's start to work. Whew.
Wow, that's amazing!
Done.
This is my new town. Thank you.
Builder is the best profession. Bye bye.
Bye. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wow! My first harvest! My beautiful vegetables! I need a basket for them! Oh no! Oh no! Someone stole my harvest!
Time to take a nap.
Help! Help! Help!
Someone needs help.
Help! Help! Help!
What's happened?
The rabbit stole my harvest!
I have an idea. You need a fence. Done. Now your garden is safe.
Thank you for your help!
Gardener is the best. Hello. 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 I like strawberry. Oh no! I need more water.
I like strawberry.
Someone stole my strawberry. Police! 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 Oy, oy, oy. Let's go! Police! Police! What happened? Someone stole my strawberry. Let me check. There's nothing here. Oh, I know! This lamp will help us!
What?
Did you steal the strawberry?
No, I don't know nothing about strawberry.
Show me your hand. Dima, let's check the pool. It's a strawberry.
Oh no! Officers, look at the sky.
I don't see anything. Katya, look. He ran away. Uh-oh. La 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 la. Ah, you beautiful horses for my horses. I need to brush them.
This is for me. Bye-bye, horse.
Police! Police! Someone needs help! Hurry up! Police! Police! What happened? Someone stole my horses. Are they metal? Yes! 1 second. Metal detector will help us. Yes! We have to check the house.
Ah!
Gotcha! We found you. Go out.
Officers, look, look.
No, no, no.
Again.
He ran away again. He ran away again. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Yes, I can this, yes. Wait a minute.
I'm hungry. Oh, ice cream. Wow. Wow, a lot of ice cream. What? Oh,
Oh no! Police! 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 What happened? Someone stole my ice cream. Please find him. Okay, let's find him. Oh, Dima, look! Suspects! Let's go! Idea! No. Ice cream is not detected. Ice cream!
oh no, oh no.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Super! Next time you will not run away.
I will.
Welcome to my house. Hi there. Hello. Hello, I need a room. Me too.
And the best room for me.
Let me check. I want the red house. Ooh, it's
Green! The best room for Grinch!
Blue.
Green, green!
Red. Stop. So now. A rainbow. I have only one room with 3 beds.
Okay.
Yeah, we will live together.
Let's go, guys!
Green, it's not my color.
Blue for Grinch? No!
Let's change. This room is not pretty.
Let's decorate our room.
Okay. I have snowflakes. I have a candy.
Let's check my suitcases. My photos? This is will be the best decoration.
Look. Much better.
Grinch is done.
Now our room looks great. I don't like this song. Hey, Grinch, your song is bad. Washing time. I need to wash my clothes. How it works? Katya, help me. Okay.
Let's do some fun. Much better.
Dima, you need to push this button. Katya, thank you. You're welcome. Huh? What happened with my flowers? It's your work? Dima! Huh? Katya, what happened? Dima, look! Oy, 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 oy.
Ooh. Washing time?
Let's check my clothes. What? Grinch, it's you did it.
No. What?
No, Grinch, no! Ay, Grinch. Ay, Grinch.
And one special fun. Socks.
Ew, what is that? Grinch? Ew, Grinch, take it off.
No, guys, never. Time to take a nap.
Katya, I have an idea. What are you up to? Katya, let's do some fun. Let's do next fun.
What? My photos! What did they did with my photo?
Okay, guys, I got it. I want to make fun for anymore. Let's be a friends.